Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Clear? Okay, very good. So stay home, stay safe and study from home. Study regularly, watch videos regularly and do write in your notes, prepare your notes regularly. Okay, do your homework daily. Don't keep your work pending. I always tell you to do your work daily. Okay, so again I am here, your math teacher, for teaching you maths. And what we are doing? We are doing chapter 3, counting up to 99. Okay, so have you learned your number names? Yes, very good. From which number? Up to 100. So I hope all of you have know the number name till 100. Okay. Now in our last topic, what we have done? We have done counting on abacus. Clear? What we have done? Counting beads on abacus. I told you that why we use abacus and what can we do using abacus. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and there are other operations also which we can do on abacus. Okay, so today we will do the next question of same abacus. So first we will revise what we have done in our last lecture. What we have done? Counting on abacus. What we have done? Counting on abacus. No need to write. This already you have written. Counting on abacus. Okay. So what we have done? Abacus is given to you. This is abacus. Okay. So what are there in this abacus? There are beads in this abacus. Okay. So which place value? The first bead of abacus having, what is its place value? Its place value is ones. And what is the place value of this? The place value of another abacus is T. Okay. So first what we are going to do? We are going to count the number of beads on this abacus. So count how many beads. From which side we start counting first? We always start counting first from one side. From which side we start counting? We start counting from one side. So let's count how many beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So which number will come here? At ones place. How many beads are there at ones place? 5. How many beads are here? 5. Okay. Now count how many beads are there at tens place. How many beads are there at tens place? Count 1 and 2. Again 1 and 2. So what is the value at tens place? The value at tens place is 2. So what is the number form here? The number here form is 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Where place value of 5 is ones and place value of 2 is tens. Okay, so this question we already have done. You don't have to write this. No need to copy this from the board because already we have done this. Again just we are revising. Okay, so today we do the opposite of this question. Today we will do the opposite of this question. Okay, in this question beads are given. In this question number of beads are given, and what we have done, we count these number of beads and we write the number. We form a number. After counting the bead we form a number. And in our next question, in our second question, what we have to do? Number is given to us and we have to draw the beads on the abacus using the given number. Okay. So what we have to do in second question? In second question this number is given. Okay. In second question this number is given, and what we have to draw? We have to draw the number of beads. We have to draw the number of beads in abacus. Okay. So all of you take out your notebook. Open your notebook. Open new page. and take out new page and write the today's date. What is today date? You have to write that date. Write the date. This side of your notebook you have to write date. You have to write today's date. What is the date today? Okay. Now write question 2. Question 1 we have already done. Now today we will do the question number 2. So first, after writing the date, from the first box start writing from the first box. Copy the question from the board. Question 2. Write question 2. So what is the question 2? Draw, D-R-A-W, draw the beads, B-E-A-D-S, draw the beads on the abacus, for the given numbers. So first you have to copy this question. Draw the beads on the abacus. What is the question? Draw the beads on the abacus. That means you have to draw the number of beads on the abacus for the given number. That means the number is given to you, and according to that given number we have to draw the number of beads on the abacus. So first copy the question. Copy the question correctly from the board. Now first question A. A is already done. So we will do that question also. Suppose this is the abacus and this is ones place, this is tens place, and the number given is 41. So 41 is 41. 41, 41. So what we have to do? What is the number at ones place digit? What is the number at ones place digit? The number at ones place is 1. So how many beads we have to draw? On the one side of the abacus we have to draw 1 bead, because here how many number is there? 1. So draw 1 bead here. Okay? Draw 1 bead here. Now see, what is the number at tens place? What is the number at tens place? The number at tens place is 4. Which number is here? 4. So how many beads we have to draw on tens place? 4 beads. How many beads? 4 beads. So draw 4 beads this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy this question from the board. Now, all of you have copied. Now, P. You can also write A this side and B this side. Okay? You can write A this side and B this side. Just how I am writing, you can copy like this only. Now, the abacus is drawn. And what is written here? T, that means tens, and O, that means ones. And what is number given here? Number given here is 5 and 2. 5, 2 means 52. 5, 2, 52. So what is our first step? What is our first step? Our first step is to draw the number of beads, the number that is given at ones place. So which number is given at ones place? Which number is given at how many beads we have to draw here? We have to draw 2 beads. So 2 beads, draw 2 beads, 1 and 2. Okay. At one's place the number is 2. At one's place the number is 2. So what we have to draw? We have to draw 2 beads. Draw 2 beads at one's place. Now the second part, that is tens. Now which number is given at tens? Which number is given at tens? 5. Which number is this? 5. So how many beads we have to draw at tens place? 5 beads. How many beads we have to draw? We have to draw 5 beads. Why? Because the value of tens is 5. The number that is given at tens place is 5. So we have to draw 5 beads. So draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And draw the beads neatly, clearly. Don't overlap. Don't draw like this and draw like this. Okay? Draw the beads clearly so that you are able to count that how many beads you are drawing. How many beads you are drawing. So copy the second question. Copy the second question B. Now the next C. See you start from new line. Okay. One part you have to draw 2 questions A and B. Now C you don't draw this side. C you write this side. Okay. Now C. First I will draw the abacus. You draw abacus using scale. Okay. Don't draw curve line. Okay, draw straight line. So this is abacus. Now let's write its place value T and O. And what is the number given here? The number here given is 65. What is the number given here? 65. So what is the first step? That we have to identify that which number is given at its ones place. So which number is at ones place? What is the number at ones place? 5. The ones place digit is 5. That means we have to draw 5 beads on the one side. So draw your 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we have drawn here 5 beads? Because at one's place the number is 5. That's why we have drawn here 5 beads. Clear? Now see. What is the digit at tens place? 6. So how many beads we draw here? 6. So count 6 beads and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? In this way you have to draw the number of beads on the abacus. Now all of you know how to draw the beads on the abacus? You understood the question? Yes. Very good. Very good. So copy this question from the board. C. All of you copy A, B and C. And copy correctly. Don't erase. Don't use eraser again and again. Don't spoil your copy. Don't spoil your notebook by erasing it again and again. Okay? Copy. So let's do the next question. D. You write D just by the side of C. Here you have written C, so you do the D this side. Okay. So I am writing D. First I draw the abacus. This is the abacus. Writing its place value T, tens and ones. Tens and ones. And what is the number given at question number D? The number is 1818. What is the number given here? 1818. 1818. That means we have to draw 8 beads. We have to draw 8 beads at ones place and 1 bead at tens place. So from which side we start drawing the beads first? We start drawing from ones place first. Okay. So what is the digit at ones place? What is the number at ones place? The ones place number is 8. The ones place number is 8. So how many beads we have to draw at ones place? 8 beads. So draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is our next step? Our next step is that we have to draw the number of beads given at tens place. So which number is given at tens place? What is the number at tens place? 1. So how many beads we have to draw here? Only 1. So draw 1 bead here. Okay. So copy the question D from the board. Copy this question from the board. D. Okay, the next question. What is the next question? E. What is the next question? E. E. Okay. So first I will draw the abacus. This is the abacus and writing its value T and O. T and O. T is for tens and O is for ones. Now what is the number given? 8484. 8484. The number given here is 8484. So what is the first step? That we have to identify which number is given at its ones place. So what is the number at ones place? Here the number at ones place is 4. The number at ones place is 4. So how many beads we have to draw here at one side? 4 beads. How many beads we have to draw? 4. So draw here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beads we have drawn here? 4. Why we have drawn here 4 beads? Because the value at ones place is 4. The number at ones place is 4. Okay, that's why we have drawn here 4 beads. Now next, what is the number at tens place? What is the number at tens place? Which number is at tens place? Which number is this? 8. Very good. So how many beads we have to draw this side? How many beads? 8. Now draw 8 beads at 10 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So which number form here? 8484. Which number is formed? 8484. In our previous question, question number 1. What we have written? We have written its number names also. Okay. Now in this question we are not writing its number name. Now the next question, that is F. First draw the abacus and draw a straight line. Okay. Now write its value, place value, T and O. T and O. And which number is given in question number F? The number given here is 7575. 7575. Which number is given? 7575. So what is our first step? What we are doing at first step? That we identify the number given at ones place. So which number is given at ones place? The number given here is 5. The number given at ones place is 5. So how many beads we have to draw here? 5 beads. Draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is our second step? That we have to draw the number of beads, the number that is given at tens place. Now which number is given at its tens place? Which number is there? Number 5. Which number is there? Number 5. So how many beads we have to draw here? Sorry. What is the number at tens place? Number 7. What is the number at tens place? Number 7. So how many beads we have to draw? We have to draw 7 beads. So draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So which number is formed here? 7575. 7575. Copy this question from the board. Now the next question, G. What is the next question? G. G. So first draw the abacus. Write its value, T and O. T and O. Now what is the number given here? The number given here is 2929. What is the number given? The number is 2929. So first we start from its ones place. So what is the digit at ones place? 9. So how many beads we have to draw here? 9 beads. So draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of beads at ones place is 9. Now which number at tens place? Which number is this? 2. So how many beads we have to draw here? How many beads? 2 beads. So draw here 2. 1, 2. So which number form? 2929. 2929. Copy the question from the board. Now the last question, H. I am writing here. First draw the number given here? 4, 6, 46. 4, 6, 46. So what is our first step? That we have to draw the number of beads, the number given at ones place. So which number is at ones place? Which number is this? This is 6. So how many beads do you have to draw here? 6. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beads we have to draw here? 6. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, which number is given at tens place? Which number is this? 4. That means how many beads you have to draw this side? 4. So, draw 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so which number form? 4, 6, 46. Which number will form here? 4, 6, 46. Copy the question from the board. Copy the question from the board. Now, all the questions are finished. Okay. Now, I will give you homework. So, the same question will be there. What is the homework? Homework is draw, same question, draw the beads on abacus. Okay. The same question is this, that you have to draw the beads on the abacus. Number I am writing here A, B, 6 to 62, 6 to 62, 7, 5, 75. C, 9, 4, 94. And last D, 5, 5, 55. These are your homework question. Okay. These are your homework question. And what you have to draw? You have to draw the given number on abacus using the beads. The same question that we have done. Okay. So we stop our lecture here and we continue the next topic in our next lecture. Okay. Bye kids.